Have you ever wondered how the apps on your phone are made? Imagine a world of intricate patterns and complex systems, all woven together to create the digital marvels we use daily. This is the world of coding. It's the backbone of our digital age, driving everything from your favorite social media app to the GPS that guides you home. Coding is the secret language that breathes life into our apps, transforming lines of code into interactive experiences. Well, it all starts with a simple yet powerful thing called code. Think of coding as a new language, a language that machines understand. This language, instead of words and grammar, uses codes and syntax to communicate instructions to computers. These coded instructions tell the computer what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. Just as we have a variety of languages in our world, there's a myriad of coding languages too, each with its own unique syntax and purpose. Some popular ones include Python, known for its simplicity and versatility, Java, a staple in the world of web and mobile development, and JavaScript, the backbone of interactive web content. But don't be overwhelmed by these names. Each coding language is a tool, a different way to converse with machines. And just like learning French or Spanish, each one comes with its own set of rules and nuances. Just like any language, coding also needs practice and patience to master. So, how does one start learning to code, you may ask? Well, it's a journey, a step-by-step process that begins with a single decision. First and foremost, you have to choose the right language. This choice will depend on your interest and what you want to achieve. If you're into making websites, HTML and CSS are a good start. If you're more into building apps, then Java or Swift could be your calling. Once you've picked your language, it's time to gather the right resources. In this digital age, we're lucky to have a plethora of online courses at our fingertips. Websites like Code Academy, Udemy, and Coursera offer comprehensive courses for beginners. But don't discount the value of a good old-fashioned book. Many coding books provide in-depth explanations and examples that online courses might not cover. The next step is practice, practice, and more practice. Coding, like any other skill, requires regular practice to master. Set aside a few hours each week to code. Start with simple tasks, like creating a basic web page or a simple app. As you get comfortable, take on more complex projects. Coding platforms such as GitHub can be a great place to find these. Working on small projects not only helps you apply what you've learned but also boosts your confidence. And as you progress, don't shy away from challenges. Tackle complex projects, participate in coding challenges, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. In coding, every error is a learning opportunity, but remember, patience is key. You won't become an expert overnight. Coding can be complex and sometimes frustrating. It's okay to take breaks, step back, and revisit a problem with fresh eyes. The important thing is to keep going. Keep learning, and keep improving. You see, the journey to becoming a coder is like climbing a ladder. Each rung represents a new skill, a new achievement. It might seem daunting at first, but with every step, you get closer to the top. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So, take that first step, embrace the challenge, and start your coding journey today. But why should you learn to code, you may wonder? Well, dear listener, coding is more than just typing strange symbols into a computer. It's a language of problem solving, a tool for creation, a canvas for innovation. When you learn to code, you're not just learning a new language, you're learning a new way to think and approach problems. And let's not forget about the doors it opens in the professional world. The tech industry is booming and coding skills are in high demand. You could land a high-paying job, become a sought-after freelancer, or even start your own tech business. Imagine creating the next big app or website that changes the way we live our lives. But it's not all about the money. Coding can also be a rewarding hobby, a creative outlet that lets you build and share your own digital masterpieces. Coding is not just a skill, it's a key to numerous opportunities. Now that you know what coding is and how to start, why wait? In today's digital age, coding is no longer a skill exclusive to the tech-savvy. It is a language spoken by all, from the young to the old, from artists to scientists, from teachers to students. It's an ever-evolving dialogue that transcends borders, cultures, and generations. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time? It's today. So, why not apply the same principle to coding? Whether you're a high school student exploring career paths, a stay-at-home parent seeking a new hobby, or a retiree wanting to keep up with the times, there's a place for you in the coding universe. It doesn't matter if you've never written a line of code in your life, or if you can't tell the difference between Java and JavaScript. Coding is a skill that can be learned, honed, and mastered over time, no matter who you are or where you come from. Learning to code is not just about acquiring a new skill. It's about embracing a mindset of continuous learning, of problem solving, of creativity and innovation. It's about unlocking doors to opportunities you didn't know existed. It's about becoming an active participant in shaping the future, rather than a mere bystander. So, are you ready to step into the fascinating world of coding?